Football enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're going deep into Anfield to talk about the hot topic that's been circulating in the football world. Jurgen Klopp, the adored manager of Liverpool. The football community is tense as rumors about a possible successor are circulating. But have no fear, we have all the inside information and insight you require. So gather your scarves and get ready for a wild adventure around Anfield's hallways. But first, let's tackle the topic that's been bothering every Reds fan. Is Jurgen Klopp's era about to end? With his Champions League triumph over Europe and his leadership of Liverpool to their first Premier League title in 30 years, Jurgen Klopp has surely left his mark on Anfield history. But his on-field troubles of late have cast doubt on his long-term future with the team. Fans are left wondering, as the pressure on Klopp increases, who might succeed him. Presenting our competitors, the roster is fascinating and diverse, ranging from seasoned strategists to young coaching prodigies. There have been names mentioned such as Steven Gerrard, the legendary former captain of Liverpool, who is now a successful manager at Rangers. Could he go back to his old club and take them back to the top? Then there is the mysterious Julian Nagelsmann, a young, talented coach who is leading RB Leipzig in the Bundesliga. Given his technical skill, which challenges Klopp's, might Nagelsmann be the new addition Liverpool needs to breathe new life into their team? Not to be overlooked are the seasoned strategists Erik ten Hag and Diego Simeone, who are both well known for their tactical nous and capacity to motivate their teams to achieve greatness. Could Liverpool's hopes be answered by one of these seasoned managers? One thing is certain amidst the rumors, Liverpool's managerial future is in jeopardy, and everyone in the football community is anxious to see what happens in the next chapter. In spite of all the talk about possible successors, it is impossible to rule out the prospect of Jurgen Klopp leading the team for some time to come. Even with the club's recent losses, Klopp has a proven track record and his undying love for the team does not wane. Is a comeback imminent, with Klopp taking Liverpool to new heights once more? Furthermore, Liverpool's hierarchy will have to carefully consider their alternatives and select the player who is most qualified to lead the team into the future. It's a difficult issue with many nuances since Liverpool could lose out on years of trophy contention if they make the incorrect option. Ultimately, regardless of the newcomer or known face, one thing is for sure. Liverpool Football Club will keep going forward thanks to the steadfast support of their devoted supporters. So fasten your seatbelts. Reds supporters, for this ride will not disappoint. Regardless of who may eventually succeed Jurgen Klopp as manager, Liverpool supporters are unwavering in their support for the team despite the rumors and uncertainties. The supporters of Anfield, united by their passion and unshakable loyalty to the team, have seen storms before and come out stronger. Liverpool's players are crucial throughout this moment of transition as well. Whoever takes over as manager, their flexibility and dedication to the cause will be essential to a seamless transfer. Their tenacity and will, which serve as the team's backbone, will be crucial to preserving the team's competitive advantage on the field. Moreover, it is impossible to overstate the cultural and tactical identity that Jurgen Klopp cultivated throughout his stay. In addition to having the requisite technical skills, a prospective replacement should share Liverpool Football Club's core principles and philosophy. Selecting a capable manager is only one thing. Another is selecting a leader who can become an integral part of the team and carry on its illustrious history of achievement. One thing is certain despite all of the speculating and heated discussion. Liverpool Football Club has a bright future ahead of them. Driven by ambition, passion, and an unwavering desire for excellence, the Reds are ready to start the next chapter of their illustrious history, whether it's a familiar face or a new visionary leading the team. Thus, while we excitedly watch the drama and suspense build, let's not forget that Liverpool Football Club's spirit and heart go well beyond the goal line. It is found in the enduring heritage of those who have come before, the tenacity of its players, and the spirit of unity among its supporters. One thing is certain, no matter what the future brings, Liverpool's soul will live on, always reverberate through the sacred hallways of Anfield. In conclusion, there are many contenders vying for the coveted managerial position at Liverpool, and the future of the position is a subject of intense discussion and conjecture. Jurgen Klopp's legacy will be felt for years to come at Anfield, regardless of whether it's an experienced player with a solid track record or a young talent ready to make an impression on the football world. The club is on the cusp of a new era, therefore enthusiasm and optimism are present despite the uncertainties. Whatever person ends up leading the team, Liverpool Football Club will always be characterized by its illustrious past, fervent supporters, and unwavering drive for achievement. Therefore, let us prepare ourselves for the turns and turns that lie ahead with unflinching trust and support, knowing that Liverpool's spirit will persevere unwaveringly through every victory and every obstacle that the future may present. And there you have it, people, a fascinating peek at what lies next for Liverpool's managerial drama. Who will eventually succeed Jurgen Klopp as manager? Time will tell, but one thing is certain, the Reds supporters will be there to support their team through good times and bad at every turn. For all the most recent changes, don't forget to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe. Till we meet again, bye.